Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got my EDC multi-tool. So, what we have here is a $10 pouch from Hobby Lobby. And it's several pieces, including the belt clip and the buckles. Comes with the... Don't holler at me, chicken. Quit being mean pants. Anyway, I got a bee being crazy over my head. Chicken's running wild. Anyway, it comes with needle and thread and all the pre-cut pieces already laid out with holes in them. You stitch it together. I added the little campfire stamp there to it when I first done it. But this one is 4 or 5 years old. It's got a nice patina on it. But what's in it? So, I have a Leatherman rebar and a micro stream from Streamlight, and a little piece of paracord because I dropped it one time and I thought I was going to lose it forever, but I don't know, I found it for me. Great little flashlight. Takes one AAA and fits perfectly into this dude. And I wet formed the sheath, so when I first got it, I just soaked it and then poked everything in it. You can see the sheath is like, fits perfect. But the Leatherman rebar, got it for Father's Day, it's got the pliers, replaceable cutting jaws there. It has a file that I have put a chisel on the end of. It's got a couple different screwdriver sizes and all, and a blade. And over here it has a serrated blade, can opener, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a saw. And I like having saws on my multi-tools. But I've enjoyed this rebar. It's pretty sweet. Cuts good. That is my EDC carry for a multi-tool and my flashlight. I carry a whole bunch of other stuff too, but that's in some other videos. But anywho, thought I would share. Feel free to like us and subscribe. Got some more videos coming down the line. Got my plants growing good here in the forge area. Anywho, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good week.